Patients are now able to purchase over-the-counter FDA approved hearing aids, but that is causing healthcare providers to have some concerns. KMR Local 4's Maya Clark explains why some healthcare providers are concerned about the changes and what they're doing.
Hearing aids purchased over the counter and hearing aids purchased from a doctor have key differences that impact your hearing.
Hearing aids that you're going to purchase just over the counter off the shelf at a Walmart or a Walgreens, or now I'm Best Buy, there's two primary things that a consumer is going to want to look for. One is, are you purchasing a hearing aid or are you purchasing an amplifier? Because there is a very big difference between the two. An amplifier is simply amplifying all sounds. A hearing aid generally has a prescription set based off of the wearer's hearing test or hearing evaluation.
The FDA is only approving over-the-counter hearing aids for patients with mild hearing loss, and the only way to know the type of hearing loss you have is to get a diagnostic exam.
Most of the population is going to have more than a mild hearing loss. Only way for you to know that is to go and get a diagnostic hearing evaluation. We do the diagnostic evaluation, we diagnose the hearing loss, and then we pick the technology that's best suited to your lifestyle as well as your hearing loss.
Some patients are already experiencing the negative effects of over-the-counter hearing aids.
A specific patient, he came in just today. He had purchased a set of hearing aids from Walmart about 30 days ago, and they were $500, and he brought them to us because they just weren't helping him. He couldn't figure out how to get them turned on. He couldn't figure out how to change the batteries. And then when he did get to that point in the process, he wasn't noticing any benefits. So he came to us. And of course, after testing this patient and doing the diagnostic evaluation, we found that he had a profound hearing loss, which is the most advanced hearing loss that we can measure.
Companies like CVS and Walgreens have released statements saying that now hearing aids are more accessible and affordable, but those manufacturers are targeting a specific audience.
As we knew that these big manufacturers were going to specifically target our senior population on fixed incomes, we started developing a plan for that specific patient population. So in our area, we have amazing organizations that will help our senior citizens on a fixed income that need amplification. They will help them purchase their hearing aids. And so we really want our seniors that are considering going to Walmart or these other box stores to get that cheaper alternative to please go see your healthcare provider. We can provide the resources in most cases at no cost if you qualify.
Dr. Laughlin says it's important to know that just because you purchase a hearing aid over the counter doesn't mean that it will be cheaper. Some aids could cost up to $1,000. Live in studio, Maya Clark, KMR Local 4 News. Andy.
Maya, thank you. It's important to note that the FDA is only approving hearing aids for patients with mild hearing loss.